Nestled into the hillside of Völs and Schlern in northern Italy, the Gfell Hotel offers an extraordinary design experience, blending seamlessly with the stunning landscapes of the Dolomites. Designed by Noah Network of Architecture, this hotel reinvents the idea of luxury by creating harmony between architecture and nature. The journey begins through a restored barn, which serves as the hotel's reception and lounge area. From the outside, the barn retains its traditional South Tyrolean charm. But step inside, and you're greeted by a welcoming open space that blends rustic heritage with contemporary design. Inside, beneath the striking wooden truss, the reception area feels as timeless as it is modern. A central column fireplace pays homage to the Alpine hearth, anchoring the space as a warm gathering point. Simple cement screed floors evoke the barn's original character, adding an authentic touch to the ambience. The new wing, carefully embedded into the natural slope, contains 17 spacious rooms. Each room opens up with a breathtaking 4.8-meter wide window, showcasing unobstructed views of the pine forests, meadows, and towering mountains. It's as if nature itself is part of the room, an extension of the living space. On the lower level, the wellness area invites guests to unwind with uninterrupted views of the valley. Here, Finnish and bio saunas with panoramic windows offer both warmth and scenery, while custom wooden cabins and chaise lounges create cozy, private spaces to relax and recharge. Outside, each room's terrace opens directly onto the hillside, blending indoor comfort with outdoor splendor. With careful attention to detail, Noah designed the hotel's underground structure to avoid disrupting the natural scenery, keeping nature as the primary focus. The Gfell Hotel is a vision of responsible hospitality, where innovation and respect for tradition come together to celebrate South Tyrol's natural beauty. With its thoughtful design and commitment to sustainability, Gfell provides a serene, immersive experience, inviting guests to find true relaxation within the landscape itself.